Welcome to today's tutorial on how to fix TP Link TD-W8961N. If you're experiencing connectivity issues or other problems with your TP Link TD-W8961N router, you are not alone. This reliable device can sometimes face hiccups. Don't worry. In this guide, we'll walk you through practical steps to resolve common issues with TP Link TD-W8961N, ensuring a seamless internet experience. Step 1. Check physical connections. Before diving into advanced troubleshooting, always start with the basics. Ensure that all cables are securely connected. Begin by checking that the power cable is properly plugged into both the router and the electrical outlet. Next, inspect the Ethernet cables connected to your modem and computer. A loose or damaged cable can often be the root cause of connectivity issues, so consider replacing any cables that appear worn or damaged. Step 2. Restart your devices. Restarting can resolve a myriad of connectivity issues. First, power off the router by unplugging it from the outlet. Wait about 30 seconds to allow the router to fully reset. Then power it back on. While you're at it, restart your computer or device as well. This can help refresh the network connection and resolve temporary glitches that might be affecting your internet speed or reliability. Step 3. Update firmware. Outdated firmware can cause performance issues. To check for updates, navigate to the TP Link website. Download the latest firmware for the TD-W8961N model. Access your router's web interface by entering the IP address into your browser, commonly 192.168.1.1. Log in with your credentials and go to the firmware update section. Follow the provided instructions to update your router to the latest firmware version. This step ensures your router has the latest features and security patches. Step 4. Reset to factory settings. If issues persist, consider resetting the router to its factory settings. This will wipe all current configurations, so ensure you have any necessary network details backed up. Locate the reset button on the back of the router. Using a paperclip or similar object, press and hold the button for about 10 seconds until the router restarts. Once it's reset, you'll need to reconfigure your network settings. This method solves numerous persistent issues caused by incorrect settings or firmware corruption. Step 5. Optimize your settings. After resetting, optimize your router settings for the best performance. Log back into the web interface and navigate to the wireless settings. Set a strong, secure password to protect your network. Choose an optimal channel and frequency band. It may help reduce interference from other devices. Enabling WPA2 encryption enhances security, and configuring the DHCP settings can improve device connectivity. Understanding how to fix TP Link TD-W8961N can save you a lot of headaches. By following these steps, checking connections, restarting devices, updating firmware, resetting to factory settings, and optimizing network settings, you'll likely resolve any issues you encounter. Remember, electronics can encounter snags, but armed with the right strategies, you can keep your network running smoothly. Prioritize safety and accuracy during these processes to prevent any additional issues. With this guide in hand, your TP Link TD-W8961N will be back to delivering a reliable internet connection in no time. Happy surfing!